Now there's just one final thing we need to do, and that is to program our sprite here, which will tell the player when they've passed the game. So we can do that by creating a new sprite, and we can paint our sprite. Okay, we can use red, I suppose it's a suitable color. Make sure it's on this particular setting, and then click here. Then we can create the object. We'll bring it over to the correct ending location. Alright, and then we need to do a little program just to say when the player is finished. So we go to code and we go to control, when green flag clicked, forever. And if touching, but we want to say touching the ball sprite, so you can click here and select ball. If touching ball, then, and then say you win. So congratulating the player for passing. Okay, now let's test it out. So we press start, then we can start moving the ball using the arrow keys. If we hit the green, it should bounce. Check it out. It's not working. Oi, so we're not quite finished because the ball is supposed to bounce when it hits the green. Got to make one more change to our program. So we can go let's try once more. Okay, now the ball is bouncing when it hits green, which is what we want. Because the ball shouldn't be allowed to go into the green area. Whenever it hits, like now, it should bounce back. That's great. And then if the ball comes over here to the red section, then it should say you win. Now there's some other cool things you can do to improve this game. Maybe you want to add a timer to make the player under pressure, or maybe you want to make the maze much more complex and your sprite even smaller, or you could even add a score system to give points.